Hello everyone, welcome to Jades of Tech. Today we are discussing about SAP BTP FAQs. Can you explain what SAP Cloud Application Programming Model is? Answer: SAP Cloud Application Programming Model is not a specific product but a framework, a set of tools, languages, and libraries. It brings together SAP's own technologies like SAP Business Application Studio, Core Data Services, SAP HANA, and open source technologies like Node.js or Java, and lets you efficiently and rapidly build enterprise services and business applications in a full stack development approach. It allows you to focus on your business domain while relieving you from the tedious tasks which are necessary for all cloud applications. The CAP framework features a mix of open source and SAP technologies such as CDS, SAP HANA, SAP Cloud SDK, Node.js, Java, etc. Explain the concept of SAP Core Data Services. Answer: Core Data Services is a universal modeling language. It is a definition language to create data models and service definitions. It originated from SAP HANA CDS, then ABAP CDS, and now it's found its way to SAP Cloud Application Programming Model. It allows you to define database artifacts and service definition in database or language agnostic way. CDS compiler converts the declarative statements into runtime artifacts needed for your target environment. For example, CDS view for database artifacts takes the input from configuration file to identify the database. For example, SQLite or SAP HANA, and automatically converts CDS views to database table and so on. Further, CDS enables you to easily declare your services on top of database model by writing very few lines in declarative way. Based on the configuration provided, CAP automatically converts it to Java based or Node.js based OData service. Explain major components of CAP. Answer: Core Data Services. CDS is the data modeling infrastructure, also known as the backbone of the programming model, that provides you with the means to capture service definitions and data models. For service definitions and data models, the definition language CDL is used. Service SDKs. SAP Cloud Application Programming Model has libraries available for both Java and Node.js, which you can use to provide and consume services through synchronized and asynchronous APIs. The SDKs include out of the box integration to lower level platform services such as authentication and credential flows, or on and off boarding of SaaS tenants. Development tools. SAP provides a holistic web based development environment called the SAP Business Application Studio, which is equipped and pre configured with all required tools for CAP development. Besides that, local development in versus code or Java specific IDEs is also supported. Databases. For the persistency layer of your CAP application, you can choose between several available database options. SAP HANA Cloud is the go to choice. However, other technologies such as PostgreSQL or SQLite for local development are possible. Frontends. As a full stack framework, CAP is open to a variety of front-end technologies. SAP Fiori is fully supported, but other UI frameworks such as Vue.js, Angular, or React can be put on top of your service. Infrastructure. Two stacks are available, Java and Node.js. Deployments are possible to SAP BTP Cloud Foundry Runtime or SAP BTP Kima Runtime. Platform services. SAP BTP service can be integrated and consumed through SDKs. What is ABAP RESTful Application Programming Model? Answer. The ABAP RESTful Application Programming Model is an essential element of ABAP Cloud. The ABAP development model for building clean core compliant cloud ready business apps, services and extension on SAP BTP, SAP S4 HANA Cloud and SAP S4 HANA. RAP is the heart of ABAP Cloud for building transactional business apps, services, and extensions. RAP consists of a set of concepts, tools, languages, and powerful frameworks that help developers to build innovative, cloud ready SAP Fiori applications, local and web APIs, and to easily extend SAP standard applications on the ABAP platform in the cloud as well as on premise. What is SAP Cloud SDK? The SAP Cloud SDK is a set of libraries that reduce the effort of building applications on the SAP BTP. It abstracts common tasks on SAP BTP so that you can concentrate on your business logic instead of writing boilerplate code. It comes in two flavors, Java and JavaScript or TypeScript. The SAP Cloud SDK for Java allows us to develop, extend, and communicate with SAP solutions, SAP S4 HANA Cloud, SAP SuccessFactors, and many others. The SAP Cloud SDK for JavaScript helps us build cloud based apps and extensions to SAP solutions using the power and flexibility of Node.js and its ecosystem. What is OData service? OData, Open Data Protocol, is an industry-wide accepted standard that defines a set of best practices for building and consuming REST APIs. It allows users to query and update data and build on web technologies like HTTP, Atom Publishing Protocol, and RSS, really simple syndication. OData helps applications to focus on business logic without worrying about the various API approaches to define request and response headers, status codes, HTTP methods, URL conversations, media types, payload formats, query options, etc. It provides guidance for tracking changes, defining functions, actions for reusable procedures, and sending asynchronous or batch request. Explain the concepts of JSON and YAML. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is an open standard format for data storage and exchange. It employs easy to read text and encapsulate data objects, which consist of key value pairs and arrays. Frequently utilized for web applications to communicate with servers, JSON servers as a versatile data interchange medium. JSON is fundamentally built upon two key structures. A set of key value pairs, this is often implemented as an object in multiple programming languages. A sequentially ordered service of values, most languages interrupt, this is an array. YAML. YAML is a human readable data serialization language that is often used for writing configuration files. YAML stands for yet another markup language. YAML is a popular programming language because it is designed to be easy to read and understand. It can also be used in conjunction with other programming languages. YAML file names use the extension .yaml or .yml. YAML is a strict JSON superset and includes additional features such as the notion of tagging data types, support for non hierarchical data structures, the option to structure data with identification, and multiple forms for scalar data coding. Can you explain what is SAP HANA Cloud and how it's different from SAP HANA on-premise? Answer. SAP HANA Cloud is a cloud native implementation of SAP HANA. SAP HANA Cloud is a fully managed database as a service, offering SAP HANA's in-memory power and performance. That means greater flexibility with independent compute and storage, elastic scale for unpredictable workloads, easy of scalability, and multi-cloud support to connect to your vendor of choice. SAP HANA is an in-memory column-oriented relational database system. When implementing SAP HANA, organizations of the option to choose between on-premise installations and cloud-based deployments. In on-premise installations of SAP HANA, the system is deployed in the company's own data center or on IT's infrastructure. What is SAP Business Application Studio? Answer. SAP Business Application Studio is a cloud based development environment available in SAP BTP. It enables us to build applications and extend SAP solutions with a fully integrated and feature rich environment. SAP Business Application Studio is based on Code OSS on open source used for building Visual Studio Code. Available as a cloud service, SAP Business Application Studio provides a desktop like experience similar to leading IDEs with command line and optimized editors. SAP Business Application provides an excellent experience for developing a solution for SAP ecosystem. It extremely simplifies the developer experience, improves development as well as DevOps operations, and offers better time to market. Can you explain the concept of dev space in SAP Business Application Studio? Answer. In SAP Business Application Studio, a dev space is a development environment with the tools, capabilities, and resources needed for developing your application. A dev space provides tailored tools and pre-installed runtimes for your business scenario. This simplifies and saves time in setting up your development environment and allows you to efficiently develop, test, build, and run your solution locally or in the cloud. Each DevSpace type contains a set of predefined extensions that help improve your experience. What is an SAP Business Application Studio extension? Answer. An SAP Business Application Studio extension is a set of tools that help you perform a specific development task. For example, the Java Tools extension provides you with the tools that you need to develop a Java application. The Fiori Tools extension includes the templates, CLI, and code completion required to create an SAP Fiori application. During DevSpace creation, you can choose to add additional extensions to DevSpace. The additional extensions provide additional tools to supplement the application with the additional components for the scenario to your developer environment. You can also add extensions to an existing dev space. Compared to other development environments, tell me some benefits of using SAP Business Application Studio. Provides a managed, pre-configured, hosted environment optimized for SAP application development. Can be centrally administered with tools, repositories, systems access, and company policies. Offers a set of productivity tools tailor made for SAP application development. Provides guidance that helps developers to ramp up easily into SAP technologies. Develop applications based on SAP opinionated technologies, SAP UI5, SAP HANA, SAP Mobile Development Kit, SAP Cloud Application Programming Model, SAP Fiori Elements, and best practices for application development. Provides a consistent development experience across SAP development technologies. Simplifies technical complexity by describing application logical components, database, services, UI components rather than files and folders. Integrates with existing SAP solutions, systems, and services. Provides easy access to Visual Studio. Code compatible extensions from open source OpenVX registry, full SAP enterprise product support.